Hey folks, this is the part 2 of the 7K take home stuff. This part, I'm gonna play a video of some of the process, the way I fixed the carrier bearing. I couldn't do it step by step because I couldn't show you videotape it step by step because I didn't have anybody holding the camera, so I couldn't show you what I did first. But next time I'm fixing my carrier bearing, I'm gonna make sure I have somebody to hold the phone for me, the camera, so I can do a step-by-step do-it-yourself video. But here's the video. I went on YouTube to look for a video to show me how to do this. I didn't find any video on YouTube that shows you how to change your carrier bearing on your blower shaft. So I just used common sense, and I went ahead and I was able to do it. So take a look at the video, okay? Hey folks, this is the African Mama coming to you from Odessa, Texas. My support bearing, pt2 support bearing, the shaft bearing went out on me yesterday. Another driver had to help me unload. He had to assist me. His name is Steve, truck 2895. Thanks Steve, I really appreciated the help yesterday. So right now I'm going to try to fix this. I looked on YouTube to see if I could find any video to show you how to do this. I didn't see any video, so I'm just going to use common sense to take this off and replace it. I have no idea, I've never seen it done, but it should be easy. It shouldn't be a hard thing to do. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to try to take this off. I'm going to try to take this off, and we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted, alright? Okay folks, I was able to get the bearing screws off. As you can see, move. Now, I think I'm supposed to be, I'm supposed to take these things off, but they are very difficult to remove. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna remove this entire thing. I'm going to remove the bolts and take this entire thing off. I was unable to remove this to get this off. It would have been easier if had I been able to remove these pins. But these pins, they are tough to take off, and I haven't done it before. I tried, I was unable. So I'm just going to take this whole thing off, slide it back, and remove the bearing. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I took this. I'm going to take this part off. Take the bearing off. This is what I'm changing. This is what I'm changing. Hey folks, this is the African Mamba here in Odessa, Texas. I'm at the Cisco yard. Those are all Cisco silos over there. Anyway, this video is a continuation of yesterday's video. Yesterday my carrier bearing went out. I decided to go on YouTube and watch a video and change it myself. I didn't find any video on YouTube, so I just went ahead and I decided to wing it, or to just use common sense to change it. So I went ahead and I bought one of this from Diamond Fleets. It is also at O'Reilly's, but there's a place called Diamond Fleets. They specialize in these things. So I didn't watch any video. I just went ahead. There were 4 bolts here holding. Let me show you guys. There were 4 bolts holding this. Let me see. Pause this a little bit. So there were 4 bolts holding this end over there. I loosen the bolts and I pull it out. As you can see under there, that's the old bearing. I'm gonna take it out. I pull it out, and I was told that at Diamond Fleets you can take this there with your new bearing and they will put it on for you for 25 bucks. So that's what I did. I went to Diamond Fleets. They told me that this end was bad. It was all shredded up. So I decided to get a new one. But if your stuff is still good, all you have to do is to take these 4 bolts out, pull it out, and take it to Diamond Fleets, and they will install your new bearing on for you for 25 bucks. So there's no need for you to pay anybody 250 bucks. This costs I think around 50 bucks. I'm not too sure at Diamond Fleets, but it is around 40 bucks at O'Reilly's. Okay, this is what you need. So if your carrier bearing gives out, if it breaks, do not spend $200 to $300 just to change it. Just get some tools and remove this from this end. Take it out and take it to Diamond Fleet and have them install it on for you. If you feel that your U-joints, this is called U-joints. If you feel that your U-joints, there are 3 U-joints on this, are bad, you will have to, if you feel that your 3 U-joints, this thing in the middle here, are bad, you can also take them to Diamond Fleets and they will remove and put on the new ones for you. So that's that. So right now I'm going to install it. There's a place I can put this camera. I'm going to install it for you guys. Let me do this before darkness comes. So I took the 2 bolts. There were 2 bolts right here. This is the old stuff. Remove it. And this hung the shaft off. Hey guys, just to recap before it gets dark. This is what's broke on my blow up shaft. The carrier bearing. It's easy to fix. Do not spend a lot of money paying someone to fix this. Get some tools. There are 2 bolts. What? See over there? There are 2 bolts. One on this side and one on that. On the other side. Remove it. Come here and remove these 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And take it out and draw it out and take it to Diamond Fleet. You can buy a new one for around 50 bucks and they will put it on for you for 25 bucks. So if you want to not spend a lot of money, you can take this out yourself, buy a new one and take it to Diamond Fleet in Odessa and have them put it on for you for 25 bucks. So I just saved myself over 200 bucks by changing this myself. Hey folks, so that was the video. So if you like the information I put out there, please like this video. Please like this video. And please hit the subscribe button and the bell button, okay? If you are new to my channel, I try not to just give you create videos for the sake of creating videos. I try to, every time I post a video, I try to make sure there's something for you guys to take away. So be safe out there. Peace out.